Good morning. I'm Rachel Chinya, author, writer of The Bridge Books and The Bridge Magazine editor and owner. At the heart of our editorial this season, Merry Christmas to the Children in War Zones Part 3. Forgotten children in the festive season. No to war and the killing of children and civilians worldwide. From child refugees stranded on the Belarus-Polish border, unable to reach the UK, to the ongoing Anglophone Cameroon crisis via ethnic minority children in France, facing the backlash of hate, racism and violence in French politics and populist xenophobia as the far right celebrated the rise of Éric Zemmour, the new Napoleon. Peace and social justice would be the best Christmas gifts for children in war zones and disadvantaged infants worldwide. The Bridge Magazine investigates the good, the bad, and the ugly of humanitarian intervention in times of major crisis. It seems as though COVID-19 remains a facade for the world governments to carry on with these silent wars. How can someone explain to the world that in the midst of the greatest health emergency in modern time, with over 4 million surgical procedures delayed by the National Health Service, mostly due to a lack of funding, the UK government is still sending troops abroad for the greater good? More than 500,000 babies may have died as a result of conflict over the past 5 years, according to a report by Save the Children. Statistically, that is an average of more than 100,000 deaths annually, or 300 babies every day. The death toll does not include children killed directly by fighting. Latest figures on casualties of conflict from the Department of Peace and Conflict in regards to lives and statistics show that 90% of modern war victims are civilian. This December, the Bridge Magazine raises awareness among society, regardless of their geographical locations, that war and conflict are the products of global capitalism. Children's right to peaceful upbringing should matter to all of us. Preserving children from suffering is one of the most daunting challenges of our era. But for outcast children, children in need, street children, and children trapped in war zones or closer to home, the best present Father Christmas could ever bring to the tens of millions of children suffering throughout the world this season would be to end their suffering and ensure their survival and well-being. To learn more and to find where to purchase one or several of the 23 bilingual educational books from the Bridge Magazine book series by writer Rachel Chinya, please visit our site www.thebridgemagazine.com. The Bridge Magazine wishes Merry Christmas to all children in war zones. Merry Christmas to all the disadvantaged children, around the world. Merry Christmas to every children around the world. Thank you. Goodbye.